want you to review your search term report weekly to find new opportunities. And from that search term report, you're going to add successful keywords that are actually converting as exact match to focus your budget. And then you're going to use negative keywords to remove and avoid wasting money on irrelevant searches. That's how you're going to refine your keywords, because you want your keywords to be like a bullseye. You want them to reach a specific goal, one goal that you're targeting and one goal that you're optimizing for. And you want to ensure that all other searches that aren't supporting that goal are removed. For example, let's say you are trying to get leads for a solar company. You know that that person wants phone calls, so you're going to ensure that every single keyword that is getting a lot of clicks but not generating those phone calls, not generating those form submissions. If that's your goal, you want to ensure that those keywords that aren't converting are actually added as negative keywords, and the keywords that are converting, the successful keywords, you want to ensure that those are added as exact match, because you want to pinpoint exactly those keywords so you can focus your budget. The second point in this is you want to ensure that you improve your ad quality score, right, guys? And what ad quality score is based on three things: your landing page experience, your expected click-through rate, and your ad relevance. And Google basically weights them on these three weightings. So on 39% of your quality score is based on your landing page, 39 is also on your expected click-through rate, and then 22 is on your ad relevance. So you want to ensure that you maximize each of these areas in your Google Ads, and how you can do this is by including main keywords in your ad text to increase the relevance. And then you also want to ensure that your landing page content matches your ads promises. And then also you want to ensure that you use ad extensions to provide more information and boost your click-through rate. And that's literally how you're going to improve your ad quality score. And the higher your ad quality score is, the more Google is going to show your ad, and the lower your cost per click will be. So you'll actually get more results at a cheaper cost than your competitors if you can actually nail this down. So make sure that you include the main keywords, you ensure your landing page matches to your ad promises, and ultimately you work on improving your click-through rate through ad extensions, and also including specific keywords that you're also targeting in your ad copy. That's also going to improve your expected click-through rate. And then the last point is you want to optimize your bidding strategy. Now, what you can see is that I've selected here maximize conversion. You might be asking me why have you chosen maximize conversions? And ultimately, it's because you want to select the best automated bidding option for your campaign goals. And if our campaign goals are generating leads, generating phone calls, generating contact form submissions, etc., we want to ensure that those goals is what Google is optimizing for. So once you have enough data in your account, you want to turn on maximize conversions. After about 30 conversions that you have in your account, you want to turn this on and ensure that Google's not optimizing for the goals that you have as conversions. And you want to adjust your bids higher for times and places that perform well. So let's say, for example, you see that your ads are performing better at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. You want to increase that bid by, let's say, 5% at a time, so you can start showing up more at the time of the day that that is performing better for you. And let's say, for example, you have mobile devices that are performing well. So you want to ensure that you're increasing the bid amount for your mobile devices, for example, if they're performing well. And then you want to ensure that you set up and regularly check your conversion tracking to make informed decisions. You don't want to be that guy who's running Google Ads without conversion tracking. You're literally wasting money. So ensure that your conversion tracking is completely set up correctly, and you'll be golden. Now, if you want help with Google Ads lead generation, I offer one-on-one Google Ads lead generation consulting. So if you're interested in that, just check the link down below. I'll see you in the next video.